Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're beginning by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi because AirPlay requires a common network for low-latency streaming. Once done, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring on the Samsung and remember its display name. This is what you'll select from the phone. Now, swipe into Control Center on the iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. This step initiates the discovery process. You must stay on the screen until your TV appears. If you see multiple devices, pick the Samsung name. After you select the Samsung from the iPhones list, the TV will usually display a short AirPlay code. Enter that on your phone to authorize the link and prevent accidental connections. Once paired, the phone mirrors automatically. Apps, photos, and video follow. Make sure orientation is correct and use the iPhone volume or the TV remote to set audio levels because audio routes to the TV by default. If you need app-specific output, switch within the app's playback controls to the AirPlay target. To end mirroring, return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, or use the TV's AirPlay menu to disconnect. If the image stutters or the TV doesn't appear, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and try again. Many glitches are network-related. Also make sure both the iPhone and Samsung firmware are up to date to avoid compatibility issues. If you still see problems, restart the TV and iPhone. Rebooting clears temporary network sessions and often restores a clean AirPlay handshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.